So this problem is asking us to calculate the slope of a line through 2 points. And we know that if we have 2 points, we are going to be able to join these 2 points and extend in both directions to get a straight line. So this straight line apparently is going down, and so it had this. So we slope is to find the steepness of this line. And from what we had before in the previous video, the slope formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which is the vertical distance, vertical rise, because y is the y-axis. Y represents the y-axis, so that is the vertical rise, and x represents the horizontal run. So when we divide the rise over run, that gives us the steepness of the line. And in order to avoid mistakes, we can label the numbers. Now, notice the first number is always going to be x, the second is always going to be y. But to distinguish them, we can use the subscripts 1 for the first one and the 2 for the second one. And now we can plug in numbers. So we have y2 minus y1, which is negative 1 minus 0. And then x2 minus x1, which is 3 minus negative 3. Be careful with this minus comes from x1, which is negative 3. But this minus comes from the formula, the subtraction. So now let's simplify this. To do subtraction, we apply the rule keep, change, change. So the bottom is going to be positive 6. And anything that subtract minus 0 is itself. So the top stays as negative 1. And negative divided by positive is going to be negative. So I can put a minus sign in front of the fraction 1 over 6.